I got the Lunar gift box, and inside here is a gift set that's out of stock anywhere else, and it has the pouch that I've been wanting to get. Very excited to share this with you, and new promo codes for US, new promotions in UK, and a couple of promo codes in Canada. So don't go anywhere. I went to Hudson Bay. I was planning to do some vlogging as usual. I was very shy, but I was able to take some clips right here. And I was actually looking for the mascara gift set that has the same pouch as this one. But the sales associate that was there, I think she was not very familiar with the Dior gift sets. But she found me something else, which is in here, and without further ado, let me show it to you. So a little story is that, like I've said, it seems like the sales associate that was there, because it was very early in the morning, she was not familiar with the Dior gift sets, and she found this instead. And this is the one with the denim pouch. So awesome. So I was planning to buy mascara anyway, so this is such a great find for me. And so, as you could see, the box doesn't have anything else because I was very shy to ask. At first, I said if she could do the gift packaging for me, and what she was actually doing was she was going to wrap it with this. And so while she was wrapping, I asked if there was a minimum purchase required for me to get the Lunar gift box, and she was like, what Lunar gift box? She didn't know about the gift boxes, but they were actually on display, and I just pointed it. I said it's that one. And so she asked another workmate, and the workmate said it does not need any minimum purchase, and she just gave me the box with my order, but no wrapping paper or anything else. But I'm fine with it. I'm glad that I have the gift box, the very controversial gift box that's so difficult to get in the US, that was so difficult to get in your online order. And so my recommendation is that maybe check your local retail store that offers Dior Beauty, like Macy's, Nordstrom, Saks, Bloomingdale, and the like, and see if they have the gift box. Because similar to ordering to Dior Boutique, there shouldn't be any minimum purchase required to get the gift box. And so I was very lucky to score this one. Just to compare, this is the one from last year, and it's actually super simple. It just has some embossing right there, so very subtle design. Compared to this one, this is all out. Look at that. And I'm very happy because I am born in the year of the snake, and so this is such a great memorabilia. Look at that. The centerpiece is like a clock. Love it. I wish they put some kind of snake elements here, but I'm glad. I'm just glad that I got it. There you go. And for our gift set, very excited. By the way, if you want to score this is available in the US, and the promo code is DiorTips24. You will receive this pouch, the denim pouch, with 4 more deluxe samples. So it is a great gift purchase for your minimum purchase of $150. So let's have a closer look. This is such a great material. I love it. And we have the Dior embroidery there. This zipper pull, silver one, it's actually thick. It's, I would say, 2 times thicker than the gold one. So there it is. And I'll show you. This one has 2 zipper pulls, but you can see that this is a lot thinner. Look at that. It's still very cute though. And inside here we have the lip glow. and this is the 001. And have the mascara. The mascara is just have the regular tip, not the curled one. And the primer. Really give your lashes a longer, finer effect. This is awesome. And inside is a branded lining. Love that. And just to compare the size of the gold pouch. Gold pouch is wider, but the denim pouch is a lot thicker in depth, so almost double as the gold pouch. Both beautiful though. I'm happy to finally get this one. By the way, if you are new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I help you maximize your Dior beauty shopping experience by giving you the latest promo and promo codes. So if you love Dior beauty, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here, and we can exchange intel about the Dior beauty promotions in your country. I would love you to share in the comments below. If you are from maybe Australia, Malaysia, Hong Kong, and you are shopping Dior, please comment below the current promotion so we can have this community that share the same love for Dior beauty. And speaking of sharing, thank you very much, Andrea, for sharing the latest promotion in UK. If you add 2 Couture Total products in your cart, you will receive the raffia pouch right here. And another promotion has been updated. For your minimum purchase of $120, you will receive this red top handle that became very trendy just a few weeks ago in the US. This is now available in the UK for your minimum purchase of $120, and you will receive 2 other deluxe items with it, and one of them is my forever favorite Dior lip maximizers. So there you have it. Again, thank you, Andrea, for updating us about the latest UK promotion, because I would have not known it if you didn't tell us about it. And in Canada, we have this very exciting white pouch. For your minimum purchase of $150, you can use the promo code SKIN25. And also, you can get still the Sauvage set with a pouch and towel for a minimum purchase of $150, and the promo code is Sauvage24. So there you have it. And of course, in the US, there's no shortage of promo codes. Right now, these 7 promo codes that I shared with you for a minimum purchase of $150, they are all still available. And I highly recommend that you save this video, because if there is nothing else right there, if there's no promo code that's worth spending, especially sometimes the Dior Masterclass promo codes has a higher minimum purchase requirement, like $250, $300, sometimes even $500. So if you don't want to spend that much, the 7 promo codes with your minimum purchase of $150 are the perfect promotions you can use. And now I will share to you even more promo codes with your minimum purchase of $100. There are 3 available promo codes, and the first one is Sauvage25, and you will receive a deluxe sample of a Sauvage fragrance. So this is how it looks like, and it is 10 ml, a lot bigger than typical deluxe sample for fragrances. Another one is Dior 25, and again, minimum purchase $100, and you will receive a deluxe sample of a Dior fragrance, and they typically come in this beautiful miniature packaging, which is very similar to the full-size bottle. And last but not the least is Dior 25, minimum purchase $100, and you will receive a deluxe sample of a Miss Dior fragrance. Very cute. Look at that bow, super cute. And this is 5 ml miniature size. I think those are worth it, especially if you are purchasing $100 and you are maybe gifting somebody and you're not spending. Those are perfect whenever you just need to purchase something very important that you are using or gifting your family, your friend, and you don't want to spend more than $100. They are a great addition to the gift that you are already buying. Plus, since you're spending $100, you will receive another deluxe sample or two if you are in gold or platinum status. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my mini vlog, if you can even call that a vlog. I'm planning to go back there maybe on Valentine's Day to check out the Valentine's Day packaging, and I'll try next time to be more proactive with asking questions. I actually saw that they have the drawstring for the Lunar New Year, similar to this one, but I was very shy to ask if I could have one. And I'm pretty sure they have samples there, but like I've said, because I'm so not used to it yet, I was very very shy. And because also the sales associate that was there, seems like she's not very familiar with the Dior gift packaging, and so I didn't want to bother her so much. But next time I will be more confident, I promise. If you have any questions, please ask them below. I would love to also hear your feedback. Please suggest something. If you have any recommendation, if there's any Dior product that you want me to try and review, please comment below and I'll do my best to deliver. Thanks again for spending your time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.